Sato. There you are. Is that kitty cat crazy, Maymay? Oh, there he goes. He's on, huh? He ran. He's not crazy. He's very nice, huh? What's he doing? Let's see. Kitty. Oh, hi, kitty. Sato. 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 Hey, you're gonna get that stuck in your mouth. Come here. Come here, kitty. Come here. What's that? Ah, you're going to get me. Oh, big guy. Hey, that kitty pretty silly, huh? Huh, Sato? Really? You like him? Mimi, tell everybody what you got. Tell them what you got. What do you got? What you got? Did you go meow? You got a kitty kitty? You have a kitty kitty? Huh? Look at all these nice toys. Look, Grandma Lynette just brought this one over. Ribbit, ribbit. Huh? It's a frog. Mommy used to call me a frog, huh? One of your grandmas called me a frog all the time. That was my nickname. What's up with you? You go sneeze. Let's go see. Where's Sato? He's way over there. Sato, Sato. Sato. Is it hard to clean your chest with that collar? There you go. What is it? What is it? Say bye. Say, I got a kitty cat, everybody.